Hello, my name is Regina Cruz-Morales with the Cruz team at Keller Williams Elite Partners 3 Realty. And one of my challenges in my business is closing for the sale. So this was one technique that I wanted to learn about at Harry and Lenka's workshop. And the tip that they gave me that definitely helps make things clearer for my business is that I don't necessarily have to be closing for the sale every time, and I can be closing for the next appointment. So closing for the next appointment, meeting with people, adding value, having conversations, finding out exactly what is their goal, what is their motivation for either buying or selling will help in closing the sale. I would highly recommend joining their workshop. You will learn lots of fun facts, get to know some great people, and learn how to be better salespeople through the process. So I hope this helps. And if you need any help whatsoever with real estate, feel free to contact me. Have a great day.